How to connect Google Analytics to Facebook. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can connect Google Analytics to Facebook. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up the Zapier website on your laptop or PC. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page. Over here, you have to search for Connect Google Analytics to Facebook. Then it will create a zap for you in which you will be able to connect Google Analytics to Facebook. So just click on it. After that, you will be redirected to this page over here. You have to connect your Google Analytics account and then click on continue. After that, you have to select your Google Analytics account and property that you want to connect to and click on continue. Then just click on test trigger and your Google Analytics will be connected. After doing that, you have to then connect your Facebook with it. So first click on continue with the selected records. Then you have to select events that you want to track and click on continue. After that, it will ask you to connect your Facebook account here. So just click on sign in. As I am unable to connect my Facebook account here, I don't know why, but I'll tell you the next steps. So what you have to do is just follow the next two steps, which are action and test. They are similar to previous steps which we have done during Google Analytics phase. So after doing these things, you will be able to connect your Google Analytics with Facebook. So that's how you can connect Google Analytics to Facebook. That's all for this video.